Welcome to our Monday analysis. So let's analyze NASDAQ. So on the weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4-hour, and then on the 4-hour we have this zone right here, this one right here, and even here. So let's go to our so on an hourly, seems like we're having a retest. So it's possible that the market can push to the downside, potentially up to there. But if the market decides to go all the way up, we can expect something like this. Potentially up to there. Okay. But for now, we're just going to observe the market, how it's going to behave. And then let's go to GBPJPY. And then on a weekly, so let's find the overall trend for the weekly. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. Then let me blow up this everything so that can have a clear market structure. So we have this zone around here. Let me just adjust this support area. So we have this support area around here. So let's go to hourly. So if we are indeed breaking this support area, we can expect the break and retest to the downside, potentially up to here. Let me just adjust. Let me just zoom in again. But if we are pushing to the upside, then we can expect a push up to there. But we'll see how the market is going to play out around these areas. Okay, let's analyze EURJPY. And then on a weekly, so on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then seems like we're heading towards the price right here. And then let's go to our 4-hour. Then let me blow up this. So on a 4-hour, we have this zone right here, this support area here, here, and even here. So let's go to hourly. And then again, we have this resistance area right there. Let me just adjust this. So if we are pushing to the upside, we can we expect a break and retest potentially up to here. And if we are selling, then going to break, retest up to potentially up to there. That's my analysis for EURJPY. Right here. Okay. And then let's go to gold. And then on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. Let me just block this. So on a 4-hour, we have this zone right there. Let's go to hourly. So if we are breaking, then going to expect a break and retest to the downside, potentially up to there. And if we are pushing to the upside, then maybe this is a double bottom, like something like maybe you can expect something like this. Up to there. But we'll see. We'll see how the market is going to play out. And then let's go to EURUSD. And then on a weekly, so on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. Then let's go to our 4-hour. So on a 4-hour, we have this zone right. From here up to there. And then let's go to hourly. So it's possible that the market can push to the downside up to potentially up to here. Up to there. But it's possible that let me just do this. It's possible that we can see something like a break, retest, then to up to here. But we'll just see how the market's going to play out around these areas. Then let's go to USDJPY. And then on a weekly, So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So on a 4-hour, we have this resistance area right there. So let's go to hourly. And also we have this zone right here. Let me just drag this one right here, even right here, even right here. So if we are breaking then to the upside, we can expect a break, retest, and then push to the upside. Then if we are selling, then a break, retest, then to the downside, potentially up to there. And then let's go to the last pair. The last pair, GBPUSD. And then on weekly, so on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So on a 4-hour, we have this. Let me just do this. With this zone right here. So let's go to hourly. So it's possible that this can be something like market trying to push to the upside. But if we are pushing to the upside, we can expect something like break and retest around these areas up to there. And if we are selling, then just have this tiny zone around here. That's if we are selling. A small break and retest to the downside. Potentially up to there. So that's my analysis for GBP USD tap in.